does a recreation pond look like when it starts to freeze? I know what a pool looks like. Pretty boring with a cover on it. But here's our recreation pond. Still running and will run year round. But it's got a really cool layer of ice starting to form. We got a couple of cracks in here, which are kind of neat from the dog walking on it. Very cool. Alright, day 2 of the ice formation. It's very cool. So if you look here, this is an intake bay, which the top of it is frozen. But again, I've got that 6-8 inches of water, and then gravel, and then aqua blocks under that. So the water is still circulating through the pump system, but we're frozen here. I'm gonna guess we're probably now touching 2-3 inches. But our ice formation is coming along beautifully. That's your pool. Not yet, Shay.
It's kind of like scary when
the ice sculpture started to form further and further out.
But Daddy, it kind of looks like what's it called? The ice person who has like the icicle here.
Oh yeah.
Look at his that face, and then the ice who like shapes it like the icicle is.
All right, Lily checked and she broke a piece of ice. We're about 1.25 inches thick right now. But she decided to step and crack it to check it out.
No, last time. The morning I did.
In the morning she did it.
Yeah, and Shay helped me do it.
Shay's checking to eat the ice.
Shay helped me do it.
Okay.
She stepped in it too.
Shay, get off of there. Hey! Oh, you're a rascal. You wanted to explore that pond. Come on. Alright, so day 3 here, and the ice sculpture is forming very nicely. If you can take a look and see it. Forming very nicely around there. We've got a good, I guess, 1.5 inches. Aaron is still running, and Shay is being very adventurous, climbing on it and going out on the ice. Oh, you rascal. Well, it dropped back down to like 10 degrees last night. So we're freezing back over a little bit. Shay's out checking it back out again because she really liked hopping on the pond. Wetland's still running. Ern is still running. Hi, lady. She's got a jacket on. 'Cause it's cold outside. Day 2 of the cold Arctic blast that came in. And we have got our ice sculpture forming well. Excuse me, Shay. The ice is not for a shade, but it is forming well. It is completely encapsulated itself. It makes a really cool sound now. I'll be quiet so you can hear it. It's almost like a thlumping sound, and it froze the whole way up. And Shay's checking it all out. Very cool ice sculpture. Still a little bit of opening up above here. So the urn hasn't formed a big covering like it has in the past, but it does have cool ice that's formed into icicles that reach right back down to the ground. Well, I'm testing it out. It holds me, at least for now. Let's see what we can come up with to play with out here. Because it's a nice whopping 20 degrees. What are you going to fish for?
A fish.
Okay.
Alright, well. Don't put it on the ice. I think you got it. What are you getting the catch?
What are you fishing for?
I'm fishing for a fish.
You gotta reel it in.
Oh no, I think you got it. Wait, you got it. Put it out of the ice. Pull it out of the ice. You got it.
That doesn't look like a fish to me.
It doesn't. I know.
I think that's a foam gun.
I want you.
All right, so Sunday night here, the rec pond has been freezing very nicely the past couple days. Enough we can stand on it. We put a table and chair to hang out on it. But weather's gonna get just about freezing tonight. And we're gonna actually have probably like 2 inches of rain. And it's just starting now, so I'm guessing the ice might disappear. We have that much rain on top of it. And hover in like the 35-degree weather. So let's see what happens. But the sculpture completely formed over, which is really cool. Makes that crazy blue glowing sound. Blue glowing look to it, and a crazy sound as well. Alright, so I'm up early. So Shay's got to go to the bathroom, and we're heading out to Sag Harbor for a project. So I figured I'd do a little video to start this new project that we're heading out to while I sit out by my rec pond, which is running. And we have I have lights in it that run all the time. We still have to plant this, but I've got to get grass over there. Patio is down, and I have the camera light on just because I've got a camera lights on it, just because I have some dark spots. Yes, hello, Shay. She's like, why is there a camera going? So, wetlands running over here. The lights are not on in this one at the moment. But the other part has the lights in it going. And it's clear as anything. So you can see the steps and the sitting area in there. She has found that she likes it. Won't go in the deeper, but she'll go in the shallows. And she picks out rocks. Patio's done.